I did. I'm kind of proud. Joke lang. Hindi ako proud kasi ano to, nabili ko na set siya. But I was craving for cheese, and if you're from Baguio, they're also actually available in Davao and in Manila. Go check them out. They're called Hungry Cow. They have grazing sets, cheese, kung cheese lang gusto nyo, wine, kung wine lang gusto nyo, Italian, not just Italian, but anyway, check them out. They have cold cuts and cheeses, and what I ordered initially were Manchego cheese, raclette, Swiss raclette, one type of beer that I just wanted to pair with it, I forgot, Peroni, yeah, the Peroni beer, they have that kasi, and I tried it and I really love the Manchego because it's my favorite cheese. Pero ang nakuha ko lang, or ang kinuha ko was the Truffle Manchego. I will also post pictures. And for this week, I was able to get, kasi naka-sale sila because of the 10-10, October 10, yung every month na nangyayari. Naka-sale din sila. I got their grazing set with wine. Although good for 3 siya, dalawa lang naman kami ni hubby. What I did was this. So I have potatoes that I got from the grocery. I just boiled them and fried them a bit with olive oil and some spices. I toasted some bread, and ang kasama sa set are these cold cuts, prosciutto, I think this is prosciutto, and picante. I also have the Manchego cheese, not the truffle one, but this is my favorite cheese, and Gouda cheese. Yung una kong nakuha, which is raclette, hindi ko ina-expect na it's super funky pala. Hindi siya para sa lahat. But I cooked it accidentally na, anong tawag doon? Na ano ko siya, na sunog ko siya, so medyo nanigas na siya ngayon. But malambot siya kanina. Kanya naglagay lang ko ng basil from Basilio and Basilia. And just top it over potatoes. I might try to do it again next week kasi madami pa akong natirang raclette. Kasi pag as is very mabaho talaga kasi super baho. Pero anyway, let's try them out. I also got this red wine kasi mas bagay siya sa grazing set na ito. They also have like white wine sets. And you can, if you have your own wine or your own drinks, pwedeng yung yung grazing set lang, which is 2 types of cold cut meats and 2 types of cheese. And they also have a lot of cheese to offer, like yung Truffle Manchego na gustuhan ko nga. And ano pa ba? They also have Parmesan, Mozarella. I ordered their Burrata din. Na-enjoy din namin for one slightly movie night namin ni hubby. So that's it. It's just a short vlog. And yep, yeah, this is my first time to do this with my hubby. So, we will try. Medyo mas malaki yung coverage ngayon. Makikita niyo yung behind the scenes chart. The red wine. This is Lambrusco Red Wine. Sabi kasi ng Hungry Cow, this is the sweet wine. So, this is what they recommended and this is what I got. And this is what we have. The cold cuts, cheese, and potatoes with raclette cheese that is already nanigas na. So, try natin to. Hindi na crunchy. Pero, try natin yung subukan natin with the picante. Yan. Pwede nang kamayin. Here, picante muna. Like, gusto ko yung spice niya. May anghang pa. Sabi ko, buksan mo yung wine. Pero anyway, before this, I actually searched videos kung paano ba talaga kainin ng charcuterie. Kasi kunwari may charcuterie sa harap ko. May mga like, pwede mong ipagsama yung salty taste na meat with the bread. And anyway, beginner lang ako. And I'm not aiming naman for yung talagang bonggang charcuterie. But, na-enjoy ko yung mga ganito eh. Natatakot akong itry yung raclette. But anyway, I'll try it with the potatoes. Wala, nanigas yung raclette Dapat kasi ano lang siya, yung i-melt mo lang. But anyway. Hello everyone, I'm back. Hindi ko na na-film yung pag-ubos namin ng pagkain kasi we had our family devotion and everybody was ready na pala. Akala ko slight mukbang pa kami nung cheese and nung cold cuts. Anyway, wala nang natira. I'm really sorry. I really enjoyed the Picante. Actually, akala ko ang mas ma-enjoy ko would be the prosciutto, but I enjoyed the Picante. Teka nga lang, ayusin ko muna to. Compared to the prosciutto, akala ko I was looking forward for the prosciutto more, pero mas na-enjoy ko yung Picante. Mas masarap yung spices niya. Tapos, as for the red wine, maano siya, matamis talaga kasi I really don't like alcohol na mapait. But this was okay. And yung asawa ko tulog na. Ito palang makakapagpatulog sa kanya ng ganitong oras kasi we usually go to sleep early in the morning na. Ewan ko kung bakit magsimula ng quarantine. Parang since nasa bahay lang kami, alam mo yung energy mo, hindi pa ubos ng midnight. So you have to spend your energy. And in the end, late na kaming nakakatulog. So ngayon, ito, malapit na siyang humilik. But yeah, we really enjoyed it. The raclette, hindi ko ina-expect na ma-enjoy ko kasi mabaho talaga siya. Mabantot talaga siya as in. Yeah, it was Swiss raclette. I think it's more pungent kasi talaga yung smell niya. And I really thought that raclette was sort of like mozzarella. Kasi yung itsura niya, yung sumikat na stringy, ganyan. And I was really curious of the taste. So I bought like a small slice lang. Me personally, mas masarap siya pag naluto. And as you saw earlier, medyo hindi naman nasunog pero na-overcook ko to the point na nanigas na yung cheese. So it slid right off the pan. But I think it was too hot. And yun na nga yung nangyari. Parang bato. It was crunchy in the end. Pero bagay na bagay talaga siya sa patatas. That's what I guess. When it comes to the Manchego, as usual, it's my favorite. It's my favorite cheese. May mga tinira pa ako for the following days so that I can munch on the cheese. And for the Gouda, it's my first time to eat Gouda cheese actually. It's similar to parang medyo magkalasa sila ng raclette pero walang masyadong pungent, funky. Nandiyan yung sister ko. Smell. So that's the signal, guys. I will see you on my next